everyone, it's Danielle Lindstrom with the Pampered Chef. I am going to show you some of our fun entertaining sets today, serving platters and such. These are really fun to use for entertaining. You'll be the talk of the party, and that's always fun, just because they're really cute and they're also really just helpful in what you're doing for serving your guests. So we've got the Wicker serving caddy. This and the serving tray are both a durable plastic. They've also got reinforced with wire, so they are really sturdy, and they're dishwasher safe. We gotta love dishwasher safe, but they also, because of the plastic, they wipe clean really easy as well. So the serving caddy comes with 3 smaller baskets, the medium basket, and then the large basket. So it's really nice for storage because they all kind of sit inside this large one. And you can use this as a carrier if you want. I've done it to where I've put napkins here and then knives, forks, and spoons in these. But you could also take them all out separately, and you could use your bottom basket for a big loaf of French bread, and then you could set your plates upright in the medium basket. However you want to do it, any way works. Use your imagination. And then the basket serving tray is just one large one. Got other things in it, but you could just put everything in this if you wanted. Say you're having a grill outside with hot dogs and hamburgers. You could just put all your condiments on one side, your plates and napkins and silverware on the other side, and just take it all out in one load. So again, use your imagination. Use it however. They're easy, they're convenient. This serving caddy can store inside of the serving tray. So you might as well just keep your storage space small and combine it all together. So then, this is the wine and champagne chiller. Personally, we don't drink, so we've used different things of Martinelli's sparkling cider. So you want to keep it in the freezer for a couple hours before you use it, and then you just fill it with ice and you stick the bottle right inside, and you can just keep it out on the table while you guys are having fun at a party. It's got a nice little bottom. It's a base to catch all the condensation that comes down, or for storage, it works as a lid. Keep the dust out. I love double duty. Then we've got the Ashwood and Slate cheese serving sets. So I'll start with the Slate serving board. There you go. It's really pretty again. I think that it just makes things look really elegant. I really like its curved edges so that it actually fits the shaping. If you're serving with the Ashwood board, it kind of just fits together with that. And it's got some rubber non-slip bases on bottom so that you're not going to be scratching things up. And then our Ashwood tray, as it is in the name, it's Ashwood. Really pretty, gives it kind of that rustic look. And you can either serve it with these designs on this side, or you can flip it over and it works just as well, and it's just got the Pampered Chef logo right down there. And it's got the nice handle for carrying. And then it's got the serving knife and fork that match it. They're stainless steel top and then the same Ashwood handle. So those are really fun to have out with it if you've got a cheese ball or something like that. Use those with it. And then you can also get these tags. Also Ashwood, and then chalkboard on the front, and it comes with a twine if you want to tie them to something, and comes with a little piece of chalk. There you go, Pampered Chef. So that you can label what certain things are if you want to. And you can buy this together as a set if you would like, the Ashwood stuff and the Slate serving board, or you can buy them separately if you want. Either way, I really love all this. Like I said, it just makes things more convenient and fun, and they store easily, and they're just really fun to be able to every once in a while entertain some guests with some fun things instead of just throwing out a paper plate, you know? So, as always guys, if you like the video, give it a like, a subscribe, leave a comment if you want to request me to do any specific videos for you, and look in the description for how to get a hold of me if you're interested in the business or hosting your own online party for those free host rewards. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.